Welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. In today's lecture, we will continue with Unit 1, What Nonsense. Today, we will learn about literary devices. So, open up page number 4 and let's get started. First of all, let us come to know what are literary devices. Literary devices are techniques that writers and poets use to create a special effect in their writing, to polish and make them better. So, let's see some of the techniques that these poets and writers use. The first one is alliteration. Alliteration is when a sentence or phrase has many words that start with the same consonant sounds. Let us see as an example. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. You can see that in this example, the sentence has a lot of consonant sounds at the beginning of each word, and that sound is of P. So, it makes it an alliteration. Now, let's come to the second type, which is assonance. Assonance is the repetition of the same vowel sounds within words. Let's see its example. Johnny went here, there, and everywhere. You can see that the start of each word has a different consonant, but the second vowel sound is same within these words, so it makes it an assonance. Let's come to the third one, which is dialogue. A dialogue is a literary technique in which writers engage two or more characters in conversation with one another. For example, you know that there are characters in a story or drama in which they have a conversation between them. So, that is the dialogue. On page number 4, we have the last one, which is diction. Diction refers to the choice of words and style of expression that an author makes and uses and has a great effect on the text. For example, in a formal way, you say, "How are you?" And informal way is, "How you doing?" Now you see, there is a difference between asking about some person. Let's come to page number 5 and see some other literary devices. The first one is symbolism. Symbolism is the use of symbols to signify ideas and qualities by giving them symbolic meanings. For example, the fields are brown and barren. You can see that the fields are symbolized as brown and barren. Brown and barren symbolizes that fields are brown and barren. You see? Okay, now the next one is imagery. Imagery is related with mental pictures. Imagery means to represent objects, actions, and ideas in such a way that it appeals to our physical senses. Let's see its example. I felt like the flowers were waving me a hello. Now see, it is just an imagery. It is in our mind that the flowers are waving me hello. The next one is personification. Personification is when you give an animal or object the qualities or abilities that only humans can have. Let's see its example. My alarm clock yells at me every morning. Now, in this sentence, yelling is actually the quality of human being, isn't it? We human beings yell. But can a clock yell? This is how it is called personification.